How to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So all you have to do is go here directly to your Messenger application and it will lead you here to your set chat section, right? Now what you're gonna do next is on the upper left, you will see the three dash lines there. Click on the three dash lines. Sorry, click on the three dash lines, and then on the right side of that, you will see the gear icon, the settings. Click on settings. Now here on settings, what you're gonna do next is on the first section here, you will see dark mode, active status, accessibility, and then privacy and safety. Click on privacy and safety. And then here, under security section, you will see end-to-end encrypted chats. Click on that and go to security alerts. And then all you have to do is to turn off or toggle off the contact keys change. And basically, you are now good to go. And that is it. And that is how you disable and basically, that is it. That is how you disable end to end encryption in Messenger, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.